The effect has also been, like I mentioned previously, deeper polarization. So social media platforms like Twitter have been using AI for content creation, and this has amplified political divisions by creating echo chambers. Artificial intelligence is all about smart risk-taking and experimenting. As such, AI helps us identify, for example, market risks and opportunities. I'll give you a very clear example. Netflix uses AI to predict viewer preferences, enabling them to create highly successful original content, like, for example, Stranger Things, which my kids adore. But it goes beyond that. There is also, AI also makes possible tailored innovation. What I mean by that is, instead of targeting psychographics or different market segments, we're actually targeting individual consumers and clients. Another example, companies like Nike use AI to create customized sneakers through apps, giving customers a really deeply personalized, individualized experience. And I think if we look at the C-suite level, so for executives are used to using intuition in addition to data science and big data and so on to be taking their decisions. AI takes that to the next level, because AI can analyze data and make predictions better and faster than a human, but it does not have that intuition, that crucial step, that crucial component that only seasoned and successful executives have. And I think it's a challenge for them to now incorporate this new exciting tool into their skill set so that they can outcompete others in the future. There are many. It starts with bias and fairness. For example, in recruitment, if we take the example of Amazon, their early AI hiring tool favored male candidates due to historical biases in the data. And there are many such examples. And this underscores the need for vigilance in algorithm design to begin with. And then there is the question of transparency and trust. The example of Apple, they deployed their Apple Card algorithm, which they used to predict credit rating and so on a few years back. And they had a backlash because of that, because the algorithm discriminated against women. And that sparked a huge debate around explainability of AI, meaning these machines are doing things without us actually understanding how they're doing it and what reasons they have, what's inside that black box. And the final component is responsibility and oversight. The example there is Facebook and their failure to curb algorithm-driven misinformation through several election cycles now. And the consequence of that is information silos, a greater polarization of society. So yeah, the risks of AI are definitely multifaceted. In several ways. First of all, we've seen a very exciting workforce transformation. Let's say the introduction of AI by huge companies like Walmart has, on the one hand, reduced the need for some manual tasks. So you're firing people, AI is taking away jobs, but it has also created new roles in data analytics and system management and so on. So the effect has not been so clear. It's been quite dynamic. And then there's been the global disruption of industries, of supply chains, and so on. For example, Airbnb has completely disrupted the global hospitality industry by leveraging AI-driven pricing algorithms. And that has left traditional hotel chains scrambling to adapt. But the effect has also been, like I mentioned previously, deeper polarization. So social media platforms like Twitter have been using AI for content creation, and this has amplified political divisions by creating echo chambers. So there have been positive and negative aspects.